Hello, my name is Grace, and I am a third-year student at UMPI, majoring in Business Management and Leadership and Accounting. Today, I'm going to show you how to upload a Google Drive document into your Brightspace assignments. In order to do this, you need to make sure that your Google Drive account is linked to your Brightspace account. And when you log in to Brightspace, either below all of your classes or to the right underneath the announcement section, you will see this Access Google Apps, and you will need to click Link to your Google Apps account, where it will redirect you to this page, and you need to make sure that this is correct, which will be just your email, and you will type it in here as well. And then you'll click Create Link, where it will send you to this page, and you will need to click Authorize. Where you will need to select your main account, and then you will need to click Allow so that your Google Drive files will be seen in your Brightspace. And now, on your Brightspace main page, you should see all of your Google Apps. And then, to upload an assignment, you'll need to click on your class, and then go to your assignments. Click on the assignment, and you'll need to click this link button and click Google Drive. And after this has loaded, you will need to click on your account, click Allow, and now all of your documents show up. And you'll click on the document you want to upload, click Select, and then click Submit. Now you can click on it again to make sure that it uploaded okay. And it'll direct you to your Google Doc. And now you have successfully uploaded a Google Drive document into your Brightspace assignments. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your professors or to the IT Help Center. Thank you.